Hey Sunday. Hey Sunday. Do you know what is this? This is one toy because one toy is the singular plural one toy. No, this is toy. Toy. Oh. Do you know what is this? Toy. You can touch this. This. Oh. Touch. Oh. Oh. This is one toy. One toy, okay? One toy. Toy. Oh. What is this? Bread. Pan. The scientific name of pan. Electric fan. Oh. You can eat this every time, every hour, every minute. You can full your tummy because your tummy is very full. Hey, Sunday. You can eat this one. Huh? Oh, touch this. That is toy pan. You can try this. Mikos. Oh, okay. Okay, do you eat this one? Huh? Okay, you eat this one. No, don't eat because you cannot eat. You cannot. Okay, here's your food. Food. Oh, here's your food. Cerelac. The scientific name of Cerelac, relax. No. Oh. Open your mouth is big. Okay, your mouth is big. Big. Okay. Open your mouth, you're big. Okay. Open your mouth. Oh, open your mouth. Wow. Okay. Okay, you can swallow this. Yes. Okay. Inom. Gaya po di mo eh. Oh. What happened to your nose? Oh, the. Oh. Okay, eat. Okay, you can swallow. Free. Oh, English na ka. Parihata na yan. Oh. Wow. Oh, ano na unsa bata eh. Hoy, no. Yaks. Ew. Do you know what's ew? Ew. Do you know what is this? Hey, baby. I'm your tutor. I am Siri, cereal. Hey, I am your Google. Oh, baby, what is this? Hey, what is this? Look at this. Oh, look at this. This is stone spoy. This is toy spoon. You cannot eat this because like this and eat this. Tawanan mo di bata. Malingaw mo to ni anak ko. So kamo dia, aron malingaw mo ni anak, panganak na mo.